there. Bugs can't get him.
Mommy
Mommy has a screen, something like a screen out there, and there's little holes that and it keeps the bugs out, but not ants, because some ants live near the door. Actually, some ants live.
You know what? Mom, one of my friends at school had a beehive in their house.
A what?
A beehive in their house.
Oh my goodness. Who?
We have to get rid of that.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, watch where you're going. Hey, watch where you're going. It's on my apple. Do this, Josh. Okay. Hey, watch where you're going. Do this. Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey, watch where you're going.